Hello and welcome back. This is me Shazib here again to practice my English speaking part with you. Well, no more introduction. You may know me very well. And today we are gonna talk about really important things, which is to talk about a pronoun. Well, before we go to the video, I want to clear you something. You may have noticed that I upload video by skipping a week or 15 to 20 days later. Do you know what is the reason behind not uploading videos regularly? Well, let me clear you. Actually, not having enough topics here, I don't upload video regularly. And another reason, my channel has no any purpose to upload to earn money from this page actually. That's the main reason not uploading video regularly, and sometimes I take time to improve myself, and within a week I try to improve myself a little bit more. Well, let's get into it. I said I will be talking about a pronoun which is he. Well, do you know, he has a really special use while we are talking about a male, and that must be a male character like boy, as child, or it's a child who is definitely a boy. We use the pronoun instead of saying his name, we use this pronoun he. And you may have noticed that a lots of people using he while talking about our God. Instead of saying our God's name, they are using he. Do you have any idea about that? Well, as a beginner, I sometimes see that they are using he. Maybe they are referring our God is a male. No, 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 that's not true. Actually, I am here to clear you about that. Well, why they are using he instead of saying our God name? Actually, in, instead of using any other pronouns, why they are using he while talking about our God? Well, you know, he always doesn't refers that it is referring a male, or it is using instead of a male name. Actually, when you are using it while talking about our God, it refers that God is out of our nature, out of our male nature, and he has a respect. He has a very, very respected, how can I say, respecting things in it. Well, that's the reason they are indicating, they are using he, but it holds a lots of respect, and with with referring that that is out of our nature. Well, that's my thought. Actually, I think they are using he, but they are not referring something that is a male character, but they are using he, which means out. It's the meaning of the he is the out of character and out of nature, and also it holds lots of respects. Well, if you have any special thought about that, any good idea, you can share me in the comment box. Well, that's the main reason in this video I'm telling you. Well, bye for now. I will come back with a new video.